Yan. Na nababo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services sa Where in Pampanga community natin. So for today's vlog, we would like to thank our partner business all the way from Lubao, Pampanga, Razon's Halo-Halo and Palabok. So kunin ko muna, wait. And then lastly, I think this is gonna be my favorite. Samahan niyo po ako. We're gonna open them one by one right now. There you have it, guys. This is how it looks like after we unpack the food packages, guys. So let me introduce them to you one by one. Of course, in the middle, nandito po yung sikat na Razon's Halo-Halo. So we have two variants actually. I think this is the original one. Ayan. And then isang variant pa is we have ube and langka. There you go. Woo! I'm actually really excited, no? Let's proceed, guys. On my left, of course, next sa Halo-Halo, kung saan sila sumikat is itong kanilang palabok. Now in the middle, ito po yung mga bago nilang mga dishes. So we have carbonara. If you will look at this, guys, oh man, this is so eye-appetizing. And then next, itong overflowing baked macaroni and cheese. Grabe, punong-puno siya, guys, no? Of course, sa mga native kakanin, hindi po mawawala dyan ang kanilang leche flan. Ayan. And then meron din tayong puto, which is cheese flavor. And then this is tibok-tibok. Sa Tagalog, I think it's maha blanca. Wow, I can't wait. So let's start, guys. Let's try muna yung mga main dishes nila, which is palabok, carbonara, and baked mac and cheese. So I'm gonna go first with baked mac. Oh, grabe, guys. Sobrang lambot. It's like marshmallow. And wow. Oh wow. Grabe, ang sarap. To tell you honestly, guys, I'm not a baked mac person, pero kuhang-kuha niya yung gusto ko sa pagkain. So cheesy, hindi siya dry. Medyo kuha niya yung kiliti ng panlasang Pinoy. Oh man. Alright, so next to taste, guys, itong kanilang carbonara. So sa carbonara natin, we have bacon on top, some chicken strips. Ooh, there you go. Tikman natin, guys. Oh wow. Again, it is so creamy. Hindi siya dry. Grabe, ang dami niyang sahog. Again, meron siyang mga chicken, may bacon, may ham, mushrooms. And then, I have to emphasize, guys, it is so creamy. Oh wow. One more. Razon has always been tried and tested, no? But yung branch na nagpadala sa atin came all the way from Lubao, Pampanga. So if you're familiar with, I think, yung Double Happiness Terminal, bus terminal, medyo usog ka lang ng konti going towards Pabataan. So based sa kwentuhan namin, guys, nakaka-receive pa sila ng mga orders up all the way to Subic. With the minimum order of 500 pesos, you can order from them, no? But then again, guys, you have to message them directly kung interested po kayong, makatikim ng mga pagkain nila, and malaman nyo din po kung paano magiging ang daloy ng iyong transaction or order. Alright, so let's move on. Next to taste yung kanilang famous Razon's Palabok. Again, I'm just gonna get a little bit of portion dito sa corner. Again guys, not the typical Palabok. This Palabok has large size noodles. As always guys, sobrang sarap. Add more calamansi, and then we are done. Siyempre guys, terno dyan yung cheese puto. But we're gonna skip that for now. Later on, I'm gonna continue guys. Pero, yeah. We're gonna continue with our Palabok. Yaman na boy. Alright. Well, I have to move on. I gotta taste their halo-halo before I leave you guys. So there you go guys, finally we were able to make up to this point. This is Razon's halo-halo. So before we taste this guys, again I would like to thank Razon's halo-halo and Palabok Lubao Branch. They are located po sa OCON building, San Roque, Arbol, Lubao, Pampanga. So mga taga Lubao dyan, you got a restaurant that is truly a treasure, a gem. So let me just mix this very well so that even out yung mga flavor natin dyan. So grabe. Again, I would like to just emphasize, Razon has always been one of our favorite halo-halos. Undeniably, we have Pampanga has so many halo-halos to offer. And isa to sa mga nagiging paborito natin lahat, obviously, undeniably. So while I'm, mixing this all up, almost done. Okay, let's taste it. Wow. Never fails. It never fails. So again, as always, very simple, and yet kapag kinain mo, so satisfying. You got your makapuno, leche flan. You also have your sweetened banana, mga saging. Oh wow. What a satisfying afternoon. What a satisfying dishes galing po sa Razon's halo-halo and Palabok Lubao Branch. Thank you so much guys. You are so generous. Napakasarap po ng yung mga pagkain as always. Guys, when it's Razon, it's always trusted. So if you're interested to buy from them, and if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Guys, share it with your friends. Let's enjoy Razon's at the comfort of our home. Thank you so much for watching guys. I'm gonna share this with my family, so I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out, bye!